This Thanksgiving, remember, connection is medicine for the heart. As a cardiologist, I talk a lot about diet, exercise, cholesterol, and blood pressure. But this Thanksgiving, I want to highlight one of the most underappreciated tools we have for protecting heart health: strong social connections and acts of giving. Not just emotionally, but these are physiologically, measurably powerful. Here's what decades of research tells us. Social connection can extend health span and reduce cardiovascular risk. People with strong social ties have a 29% lower risk of heart disease and a 32% lower risk of stroke. Loneliness and social isolation increase cardiovascular risk by 14 to 28%, independent of age, lifestyle, or medical history. Socially connected individuals have lower levels of inflammation, reduced sympathetic nervous system activity, and healthier blood pressure patterns. Connection protects your heart as much as traditional risk factor modifications. The American Heart Association recognizes social isolation as a significant independent risk factor for cardiovascular disease, on par with smoking, obesity, and hypertension in its total impact on long-term outcomes. Giving back is biologically good for you. Helping others, whether through volunteering, caregiving, or simple acts of kindness, has measurable cardiovascular benefits. Adults who volunteer regularly have a 20 to 44% lower mortality rate. Helping behaviors are associated with lower incidence of cardiovascular disease over time. There's even evidence of a dose response. The more you engage, the greater the benefit. Why it works: your nervous system and hormones respond to connection. Social connection and generosity lower chronic stress and cortisol, reduce allostatic load, the wear and tear on the body. Improve glucose regulation, lower inflammatory markers tied to atherosclerosis, promote healthier behaviors like increased activity and reduced smoking. These are not small effects. They translate into longer life, fewer cardiac events, and better overall health span. This Thanksgiving, a reminder: your heart thrives on connection. So as you gather with loved ones or reach out to someone who may be spending this holiday alone, remember, every shared meal, every act of generosity, every moment of genuine connection is a gift to your cardiovascular system. It's one of the most powerful evidence-based treatments we have, no prescription required, and with no negative side effects. Wishing you a warm, connected, heart-healthy Thanksgiving. For more heart-healthy advice, keep following your friendly neighborhood cardiologist.